This video answers the search how to buy shares of Sensys Gatso Group AB and shows the basic steps. Sensys Gatso makes traffic enforcement and road safety camera and radar systems. It trades on CBOE under ticker SGG.ST. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After you register, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to your account before buying. On eToro, use the search bar and type the ticker SGG.ST to find the listing. Select the Sensys Gatso Group AB result to open the asset page and ensure it matches the company name. The asset page shows basic company information and a price chart to review recent movements. Confirm the name and the SGG.ST ticker to ensure you have the correct stock. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, carefully review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may queue until the next session, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. The example link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow these steps.